Of course we have to live on a hill. Dang, whose car is that? It's a cool car. No. Okay, boys, so here's the deal. We got broken cart number 2. Winter is coming soon, and I want to do some donuts in the snow, so we have 2 goals for right now, and that is fix this one and put our brand new belt and stage 1 kit onto this one. Yo, catch. Nice catch. So we ordered a new belt. However, Joseph, show him the belt. This belt is very skinny.
Like,
our last belt was like beefy. I actually have to go to work here, so we might have to put a pause on this for the present. But we can at least show you guys the stage 1 kit that we bought for the red cart. So this is almost a full Go Power Sports kit. Almost everything came from Go Power Sports, and it was actually pretty expensive. However, for this one, our stage 1 kit came from Amazon.
2 jacked parts later.
And 1 jacked man. Oh yes. All right, so the Amazon kit definitely gives you more than the Go Power Sports kit and for less money. However, I have a feeling that all of this is going to be slightly lower quality. However, they do give you a full carburetor, and it's an adjustable style carburetor, which we don't have on this. So we're actually going to swap this carburetor onto the cart. It's late at night now. Joseph is still doing stupid things, and we are tearing into this thing. So again, I'm not going to show you the entire process, but we'll let you know if anything goes wrong.
Yay!
You're adopted.
Thank you.
So far, this isn't actually that different from the Go Power Sports one. The dried stuff probably won't light.
Oh, there we go. I feel like, what are these called? The hibachi places. Yeah. Now we have a fire, boys. Oh.
Mom and Dad come out.
Tommy!
That's Tommy.
Tommy!
Tommy's gonna come here
Tommy and David, right?
Hey, wanna watch us light the floor on fire?
You need 2 more fire cones on the way out.
Fire! We've discovered fire, boys.
That's poultry.
We picked up a 3rd belt. Good news. It fits. Look at this, boys. We finally got a good belt. But as you can see, the problem still is that it's slipping. Remember how, yep, yeah, you see that. Last time we were running the go-kart, it was slipping bad. And it was actually, I think it was cutting out a lot of our power. And this one's doing the same thing. I don't know what to say about that. So we also have picked up an exhaust for this cart. Now, unlike the green cart where we originally were going for a full straight pipe, oh, sorry dear. This time we actually got an exhaust with a muffler. Muffler, exhaust, just kind of does one of these. It's actually a pretty heavy piece. I hope this is gonna be all right. We've entered an interesting stage of this whole build where the pipe that we got doesn't fit.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I lied. It's been like 5 minutes. I drilled the stupid thing out just like a little bit. For some reason, the exhaust gasket just did not want to fit, so I had to drill that sucker out as well. So I'm gonna just tighten it down and see what happens. I think she's good. Is this good though? I worry this thing's gonna fall off. Look at how ridiculously far this pipe extends from the stinking thing. I gotta get Joseph's reaction to this.
Fuck you!
I got something to show you. Come with me.
January in shorts and a t-shirt, let's go!
What a man. Look at that exhaust.
Oh gosh.
Isn't that so obnoxious?
That is stupid.
You aren't even wearing shoes.
No. It takes too much time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Nobody got no time anymore.
What do you think?
Well, Tommy can't push it up a hill anymore.
No, definitely not.
Oh, yeah.
It's so ridiculous. All right, boys, another quick update for you on the progress of the red cart. So I think I finally have a solution for our belt tensioning issues. Now, I went through a bunch of different options on how to solve this issue, and the one that I ended up going along with was getting an engine mount for it. Now, this will be able to help us position the engine exactly where it needs to be for the optimal performance from the belt. So that's actually what I've been working on right now. I'm actually drilling some holes for this thing to go in. And it's gonna sit something like this, and we'll be able to shimmy shimmy yay, shimmy shimmy ya, the engine to exactly the perfect spot. We got everything done on the stage 1 kit, and with mocking up the engine, I'll show you, the engine is now officially bolted back down with the engine mount, and it's borderline perfection if I do say so myself. Ugh, it's really hard to move because it's heavy, but it is not like doing that like popping, like slipping thing anymore. I'm really happy about that. But the main reason this video has taken so long to make is because I've been struggling over something that really was pretty stupid. So as part of the stage 1 kit, we got 18-pound valve springs, which is what I run in my cart. And I just haven't installed them because I've been fighting with the lash caps for so long. It's a nice day. I'm gonna work out in the sun and try and see if I can get these lash caps on, which means we can get it running again. And since the belt's on, it means we can get it driving again, which would be pretty cool. Now that it's warm enough to ride, we can take this thing riding, get some actual testing out of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hey, check this out. We just drained all the oil out of the clutch. It smells real good.
How?
I don't know.
I can smell it whole.
Yeah, I don't know. It's because we haven't run it in a while. Good stuff.
So this is engaged, this is engaged, everything should be go.
Get this thing out.
Yeah.
That's a dangerous thing right there. Yeah, it's a little loud with the muffler. That's a lot of smoke. Not too much gas, I don't think. I don't think it's running right. Yeah. That is not running right, but it's running. Hey Joseph, your car moves again.
I saw that.
This is why we brought Dave in, best in the biz. And we're gonna get a call from him in a couple minutes probably. Is that, I don't think that's running right. It sounds,
It's running, Rich.
but
I mean, of course, it's sat for a while.
yeah, it's definitely sat for a while. All right, have fun, boys. We'll break your cart while you're gone, Joseph. I will bet you money he's broken down over there. He's probably trying to start it.
Probably.
Should we go see?
Yeah. I told you not to go.
We're gonna have to wheel it back, I think. Or we can try and bump start it. That gas is older than dirt. Yeah. Good to see that it still accelerates slower than freaking molasses. What is he doing? Why is he doing?
Have you considered there may have been a reason I told you not to go? Your back tire about fell off. What? That tire's about ready to fall off. It's always been like that. No,
Well, it's definitely gotten worse since the last time.
I mean, there's only one bolt loose, okay? We're good.
my goal was to get it running so that you could maybe test it, not you take a joyride on it.
That is testing, okay? You need to turn the idle up or something. And the
We
clutch
can't-
was slipping so bad. It was just, like, when I was turning around up there,
Yeah.
I wanted to go around the block. It's not gonna.
Really?
Okay, we gotta get it running first, and then muffle.
Wait, did you not just see yourself driving it?
It's not running.
It's
right.
running.
It's not running right.
Oh gosh, why is the flash on? Why is my phone doing this? All right, whatever. I guess this means you can see me now. So boys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. It has been a very long and delayed process in making this video. I think I started this video in like September. It's March. It's almost Easter. And you know what? At least it got done eventually. So I think we're just gonna end this video on a happy note and say it run, it drive, it do good thing, and send it down the road. We got a lot of fine tuning left to do, especially with the belt and the drive tire here, because this thing is floppier than freaking piece of licorice. We're gonna be calling it there for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, and if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing, because it would help me out quite a bit. And yeah, that's gonna be about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.